Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to share my plan for Spanish language learning challenge with you. Here's what I plan to begin with. The first thing we are going to need is a beginner's guide to Spanish. This will help us to get acquainted with the grammar and provide examples. I recommend saving this guide in TXT format or in another format supported by langlalang.com. This might require some extra work, but for beginners, finding a guide in a convenient text format could be quite challenging. Additionally, if you're already proficient in the language, you might want to work with the subtitles for your favorite movies. And these text files will come in handy for that too. It's crucial to read everything aloud in Spanish. The main goal is to significantly expand our vocabulary from day one while simultaneously learning grammar. We'll be saving all new words on langlalang.com. The second thing we are going to need is a podcast. Choose a podcast for beginners in your native language or in a language that you already understand well. I plan to listen to Coffee Break Spanish in English, but you can explore other options. My goal is to listen to one podcast a day, which is only about 15 to 20 minutes of my time. So that's basically it. See you in the next video.